Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. In today's video, we're going to see how we can create a GIF in Tumblr. It can be done only in Tumblr app, so make sure you have your app installed. Once you've installed it successfully, log into your account and open it. Now in this home page, there is pencil icon. Click on it. It can be used to create a post. Since we want to create a GIF for our post, we need to click on this GIF. Now there is a Create a GIF button at the bottom. Click on it. To start creating a GIF, you need to select a video of which you want to create a GIF from. So I'm gonna select this video. Now you can tweak your GIF by selecting these tools like this speedometer, this scissors. You can undo this by clicking on this arrow button, and you can do rebound and reverse. I like the way it is with the loop selected, so I'm gonna click this check mark at the top. Now it is creating our GIF. Let's see how it has turned out. It has turned out like this. Okay, so I'm fine with this. Now click check again. Our GIF is included in our post. If you're okay with posting this GIF, you can do so by clicking this post at the top. It is reminding us to add tags. Since this is only for the guidance purpose, I'm not going to add any tags for now. Instead, just go with the post button. You can track if your post is posted or not by this line at the bottom. It is complete now. So posted to Ishikarane, click on it. You can view your GIF in here. I hope you had fun creating your GIF. For future video updates like this, do subscribe to our channel, How Logical. Until next time, bye-bye.